Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Hey, today I got a little gripe about my DJI Mini 2 drone. Now yesterday I was out flying around and a little thing came up on my phone, says update. This is an Android 12, I think I said it was. Let me look. Hold on a second. I know you're in a hurry, but I need your help, so if you can stay with me for a second. Okay, so this one's Android version 10. Android version 10. I can't hold it up. You can't see nothing. So, and according to the website and everything, the drone software needs Android 6 or newer. So, anyway, came up on the phone. I clicked it to update it. No good. It's crashing on me. Now the app crashes on me. When I try to open it, it just crashes on me. I'll show you right here what it says. Also, number 2 thing, I don't remember this ever being the case on my controller. When I turn it on, those lights, they never did blink before. Now they're just continuously blinking. What does that mean? I've tried to look it up. I haven't found anything. So I think during the download of the app update, it got corrupted. So if any of you guys have any suggestions, and is there a local somewhere in the United States that does the work on the DJI drones and controllers? I don't know. So because on the website you click on for service and you start going through all the prompts and it just keeps giving you questions and answers to, there's no real interaction with a person. So I don't know. But anyway, right now I do have my other phone that I use all the time that has the non-updated version of the app on it, and I can get that one to work, but I've tried it on 3 other phones with the new app. I've tried it on my Samsung tablet, which is newer than Android 6. This is only a couple of years old, so I forget what it is, but it's 12 or something. So if all you experts out there, if any of you have any suggestions, let me know how to fix my stuff. I appreciate it. Or if you have a contact information for somebody that does repairs locally in the United States. I really don't want to send it to China. I would appreciate that too. So anyway, this is Harold. I'm signing off. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to reply. And you could give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you wanted to. And you guys have an awesome day, and I'll have another video for you later. I'm looking forward to hearing from you because I need my drone fixed.